Our demo, Data Frames, Session Prerequisites, browse to our earlier material on R and RStudio, the environment, how to work with variables, how to run scripts, how to work with vectors, how to read from a data file. In preparation, please have RStudio open on your computer and follow along. Maximum benefit guaranteed. Learning objectives: explore a sample data frame, access its elements, summarize its columns.
By now, you know how to work with vectors, so let's move on to more complex structures. So if you like cars, then you'll enjoy this blast from the past. R is shipped with a dataset from a 1974 Motor Trend US magazine. This dataset is called MT Cars, Motor Trend Cars. Look up the description by typing, you guessed it, $MT Cars on the console. You can view it by typing View MT Cars. Make sure you capitalize your V. How does R represent this dataset? Just type class MT Cars in the console window. I'm going to do just that now. So I have MT Cars. Do these look like cars that have made it into this century? Many of them have. The next thing I'm going to do is to get the description with MT Cars preceded by question mark, Motor Trend Car Road Tests, and these were all the variables that were collected. Now I'd like to view MT Cars. There was a mistake there, and I've got the cars to turn up. What's amazing is how quickly you can bring up a table in the RStudio environment. Now how does R represent this data set? Just type class MT Cars in the console window. I've got class MT Cars, and it says it's a data frame. Data frames are used where the data can be of mixed mode, which is true of most data sets in real life. The name of the car is alphabetical, whereas the rest of the data is numerical. One word of caution: two entries in the same column cannot have mixed mode. We access columns by name as whatever the frame is, followed by a $sign, followed by whatever the column name is. We can quickly summarize a column. You simply try summary of MT Cars $MPG, miles per gallon, for example. What we get in return is a quick picture of the summary statistics for a numerical data set. I'll go ahead and do just that. So I will try bringing up one column in MT Cars. So the $sign helps me here. A tab completion tells me what are all the things out there. These are all the miles per gallon for how many cars do we have here? We have 32 cars. All right. Next, I'm going to look for a summary of MT Cars $MPG, and I get a fantastic summary.